Pilipinas. Tonight, as we gather for the 75th anniversary of the Sangguniang Laiko ng Pilipinas, I am humbled to stand before you as chairman of the City Commission on the Laity. You know, this position I inherited from the late Bishop Macaraig, who died when I was the vice president, so automatically I assumed the position. When Monsignor Pantino called me up and I said, I now become the commission chairman of the laity. Now we come to celebrate a long and faithful journey, the journey of lay faithful who have carried the gospel into the corridors of society, into families, parishes, workplaces, and communities across our country. Celebrating the 75 years of the Sangguniang Laiko ng Pilipinas is not merely, I would say, not merely recalling names or programs initiated, but faces of men and women who answered the call to form communities of faith, to nurture vocations, to champion the vulnerable, and to translate gospel into concrete acts of solidarity. In short, to grow into a loving relationship with God that is concretely manifesting in loving our neighbors. The Sangguniang Laiko ng Pilipinas has stood as a beacon of this, recognizing the different ministries, devotions, and organizations, the diverse gifts and charisms as expressions of a synodal church where participation, communion, and mission are best shown. To all the board members, past and present, I sincerely thank you for your being a gift, your vision, your tireless labor, and your sacrifices. Your legacy is not just achievements, but a culture of leadership that comes from the love of God, love of the church, and serve with compassion and hope. This is a leadership that does not seek personal advantage, but to advocate for policies and practices that draw us closer to God, to humanity, and to our common home, and building up a better nation. Gratitude fills my heart to all the parish priests who are here, or priests assigned for the laity, who accompanied on your journey. And I would also say, so sorry when there are tensions in our service, no less than brought by our priests. Pero ngayon ko, sorrow padayon. That's our synodal thing. Sorrow padayon. So, thank you very much for having come together tonight on this celebration, and I congratulate every member of the Sangguniang Laiko ng Pilipinas on this meaningful milestone. Your perseverance has kept the church alive. Your courage has kept hope strengthened. Your participation, communion, and mission show that we journey together as people of God. Mabuhay po ang Sangguniang Laiko ng Pilipinas.